What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day online by listening and typing what you hear on the internet. Now, the best thing about this method, guys, is completely free. I know you love that one. You don't need a website to start. You can start doing this today. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. And at the end of this video, make sure you stay to the end, because I'm going to be showing you a secret little method that's not only going to help you make more money from this, but it's going to help you make money quicker. Now, I've never talked about this particular method on my channel before, and especially the stuff at the end, because this is the underground stuff that no one tells you about. Now, if you're brand new to making money online, this is a great method for you, obviously because you don't need the money, but also it's great for beginners and it works worldwide, and you can get paid into your PayPal account. We'll also talk about some other methods that you can use for payment. So if you want to make money online, guys, make sure you smash that like button. Let's jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly how you can get started with this and how you can make money simply by listening and typing on the internet completely for free. No website needed, works worldwide. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now and how you can make a crispy $100 bill per day doing this method. Alright, guys, welcome back to this video. I'm super excited for this one because today you are going to learn how much money you can make. I'm going to show you how you can start this today. This works worldwide. It's completely free to start. You don't need any money to do this. You don't need a website. And best of all, make sure you stay all the way to the end, because I'm literally going to show you a simple little trick that's going to make this much easier for you. It's going to make it really simple, and I'm going to show you this trick live on this video, and you'll see it in action, and you'll see how simple this really is and how this can help you make more money online with this method. Now, the website we're going to be talking about today, guys, has heaps of 5-star reviews. So this is a legitimate website that you can use to make money online. Great for learning transcriptions, 100% remote, flexible hours, pleasant onboard training process, interesting content to transcribe, responsive to questions. These are all real reviews. These are only 5 of the reviews on the screen. I found literally thousands of 5-star reviews based on this website that I'm going to show you today that you can make money from. And best of all, I know you guys want to know this. How much money can you actually make from doing this method? So even though this website has lots of 5-star reviews, everyone's raving about it, it's a great website to work from, how much can you make? This is the most important part, because if it's not worth your time, it's not worth doing. But you can actually make quite a good amount of money, and if you mix it in with my little trick at the end, it's really worth doing. It really is worth doing. So these are kind of like the rates that you can earn doing this, and we're going to jump into my browser in a second and show you a calculator, a live calculator on what you can earn. But you can earn anywhere from 24 cents to 90 cents per minute. You can earn, depending on kind of like your writing style, 7 cents a word, 1 cent a word, 1.4 cents per word, or 5 cents per word, usually about a minimum of 2 cents per word. And what they do is they pay you weekly into your PayPal account. So you get paid weekly from this specific site. So you do get paid quite sufficiently, quite fast, so you can actually use that money. And you know, some websites will pay you months down the track. This website pays you out weekly. Now, what I want to do is actually show you a live calculator so you can kind of see what you could earn. So let's just say you're a not so good writer. You could potentially earn for writing 1,000 words around about $7, which does not take long to do at all. You can pretty much do that in like 15 minutes, usually. Or if I was a bad writer, that's what I could do. But if we go up to 5 stars, guys, if you're a good writer and you do good content, you can earn up to $50 per 1,000 words. Now, usually if you have experience and you can write content, good content, you can usually write it quicker as well. So you're going to be making that $50 quicker than if you were a bad writer. Now, if we go to 2,000 words, you've got $100, and then so on and so on. Let's go all the way up to 10,000 words, 11,000, 12,000. You could possibly make up to $600. Now, at the end, I'm going to show you how to boost this up and make more money. But first of all, I'm going to actually show you how to sign up to one of these websites, one of my favorite websites, so you can actually get started doing this. So this is a website called rev.com. And what you want to do is basically what we're doing is you're going to be getting paid to transcribe videos. So what you want to do is you want to go down all the way down to the bottom of rev.com. So that's rev.com. Go all the way to the bottom and click on freelancers. Once you're at the bottom of this website, it's going to ask you to fill in some information. Fill in this information. So simply go to the website and fill in this information. Once you fill in this information, on the next page, it's going to also have some more information that you need to fill in. Once you've filled this in and submitted your application, you will get approved to become a transcriber. Now, once you're signed in, guys, you'll actually be taken to a dashboard. I'm not signed in at the moment. And what happens is people actually send you videos and you transcribe them. So this is kind of how it works in a nutshell. What happens is someone like me, and I've actually done this, I'll show you some in a second. So someone like me, I will go and send a video, like a YouTube video or some sort of video, to rev.com and other websites as well, which we're going to talk about at the end of this video, rev.com. You're sitting on your computer, your laptop, your phone even, and you basically listen to these videos and you type out the information. But I'm actually going to show you a trick at the end where you don't even have to listen to the videos. I show you a way that the videos do the work for you. It's really, really cool, so make sure you wait till I talk about that little secret. But anyway, you simply type out the content, what you're listening to, and then you type it out into a file, into a format. You then send it back to rev.com, and rev.com sends it back to me. You make money, rev.com makes money, and I give you guys money. That's how the process works. And so that's what people are doing all day, every day. Now, I literally go out and spend thousands of dollars doing this because I take all my YouTube videos and I transcribe them into text and I put them on my blog, and so do thousands of other people online. So these are just some of the ones that I did recently. So there is a considerable amount of money to be made, and I personally know someone making around about $700 to $800 per week doing this method. They actually travel around Australia in a caravan and they work remotely from their computer doing this method. So the best ones to do, guys, is just simple transcriptions. So $1 per minute is what I pay. Convert audio or video to text. Now, websites like Rev will pay you most of the money because all they're doing is they're a middleman service. They take the video, they give it to you, they get it back, and they give it to me. So they give you most of the money. That's why some of these websites can pay out quite a good amount of money. So this is rev.com. So sign up to rev.com, go into your dashboard, and you can apply to become a transcriber and you can get paid. So you actually get paid every single week into your PayPal account, and you can work on your own schedule and you can choose from hundreds of jobs that are already there. So there'll be a list of jobs that you can go and use. Now here's another website called Text Broker where I actually had the calculator. On Text Broker, you can do the same thing. So go to I write content, and there's all the information here. So you can simply sign up and go to create your free account now, and then that will take you through the process of signing up. Once you log in, you have a dashboard where you can choose to pick jobs. Now, what I want to do, guys, is show you a little secret trick. Okay, but before we do that, here's some websites. So these are the 4 top websites that I recommend you try. You're going to make more money on the more websites that you actually use. So rev.com, Text Broker, Transcribe Me, and Transcript. These are the 4 best websites. Go and sign up to all of those websites because the more jobs you do, the more money you're going to make. But here's a trick that's going to absolutely blow your mind, okay? This is crazy. I can't even believe I'm showing you this. So what you want to do is you want to go to Google Documents. So go into Google and type Google Documents and wait for Google Documents to come up. Go and get a blank document up and then go to Tools, Voice Typing. You can literally speak into this and it will type for you. But I want to show you a trick that's even better. So if I take this video here, and I literally play this video, watch this, watch what happens, okay? Click to speak. And I play this video. Actually, I gotta play it first, and then I'll go click. So just play it. I get around about 2 to 5 sales per day. Sometimes I get 1 or maybe 0 on days like public holidays and stuff, but I do pretty well with this product. Now, the way I promote this product is via keywords. So things like vert shock review, how to jump higher, how to dunk higher, best tips to dunk a basketball. I have a basketball blog on that. Okay, so I literally just played a video and it typed it out for me. And all I've got to do is go through and edit the content. That's it. Edit the content. Just, there might be a few mistakes. Edit the content and send it back. So how this works, guys, is you can go to these websites like rev.com. They will, you log in and you'll have a list of jobs you can do. You can literally take the job, the video that you get sent, and instead of listening to it, you can play it in the background on your computer and you can use Google Documents, and the voice function will literally write everything down for you with that video. So play the video, leave it for 10 minutes, however long the video plays for, let it write down the information for you, edit the information so it's nice and a little bit cleaner, because remember, the more quality your stuff is, so basically the more quality it is, the more money you're gonna make from these websites. They all go based off quality. So you edit it, guys, and you simply just export it. So go to File and go to go to File and then go to Download, and you can just download it as a Microsoft Word document or any other document you want, PDF, a rich text document, a plain text document, but the best one is a Microsoft Word document. You download it and then you simply upload it to rev.com or one of these websites here in the back end where you log in and have your jobs. That's literally it. That's how simple this is. And make sure you sign up to multiple websites so you can make good money. You're not gonna make $100 per day just from one website. You have to sign up to multiple websites. Now, that's a great way to make money, but this is my #1 method to make money online, and that's affiliate marketing. This is my training. If you're interested in learning about affiliate marketing, there will be a link below to this training. This is a paid course, but if you want some free content, I will leave some videos up on the right that take you through step by step how to start affiliate marketing online, which is my favorite method to make money online. I'll also leave another video that is a complete playlist that shows you how to make money online with affiliate marketing as well, or you can check out my link below to my course. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the video on the right.